Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to reset your Honda Civic oil life. It's important to remember that this process should only be done after you've actually changed your engine oil. Resetting the indicator without fresh oil can lead to engine damage, as your car's maintenance minder system relies on accurate information to help you keep your vehicle running smoothly. Let's get started with the first steps. To begin, get into your Honda Civic and turn the ignition to the on position. Do not start the engine, just ensure the dashboard lights are active. Next, find the menu button on the left-hand side of your steering wheel. Press this button once, and you should see the main menu appear on your vehicle's display screen, ready for navigation. Once the main menu is visible, use the plus button on your steering wheel controls to scroll through the options until you highlight Vehicle Information. After selecting it, press the Source button to confirm. You'll then need to press the Source button one more time. This action will take you directly to the maintenance screen, where you can view your current engine oil life percentage. On the maintenance screen, you will see the option to reset the oil life. Use the minus button to select Yes to confirm you want to reset it. Finally, press the Source button one last time to complete the reset. Your oil life indicator should now show 100%. Turn off the ignition, then restart your engine to verify the reset worked. And for all you avid readers, check out the description below for a link to the new Kindle Paperwhite, plus other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.